Hello, I am Jane. And in today's video, we will be discussing the safety of the ingredients present in Raw Brow Lamination Home Kit. The kit contains 5 different products: Cleanse, Brow Gel, Perm, Fix, and Nourish. All of these products are formulated to help you achieve beautiful and fuller-looking brows. However, it's important to make sure that the ingredients used in these products are safe and non-irritating. Let's get started. The first product in the kit is Cleanse, which is used to clean the brow area before the lamination process. It contains aqua, equisetum arvens extract, Cymbopogon scunathus extract, Hamamelis virginiana extract, and Humulus lupulus extract. All of these ingredients are plant-based and have been used in skincare products for centuries. They are non-irritating and safe for use on the skin. However, if you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before using any new product. The brow gel is used to set the brow hairs in place during the lamination process. It contains polyacrylate, aqua, ethanol, and benzoic acid. Polyacrylate is a safe and commonly used ingredient in cosmetic products. It acts as a binder and thickener, helping to hold the brow hairs in place. Ethanol is a type of alcohol that helps to evaporate water, which allows the product to dry quickly. Benzoic acid is a mild preservative that prevents the growth of bacteria and fungi. All of these ingredients are safe for use on the skin. The Perm product contains aqua, thioglycolic acid, ethanolamines, cetyaryl glucosides, sodium lauryl sulfate, dimethylbenzyl carbinol, and ammonia. Thioglycolic acid is the active ingredient in this product and is responsible for breaking down the disulfide bonds in the hair shaft, allowing it to be reshaped. Ethanolamines help to adjust the pH of the product, making it more effective. Cetyaryl glucosides and sodium lauryl sulfate are emulsifiers that help to mix the ingredients together. Dimethylbenzyl carbinol is a fragrance ingredient that gives the product a pleasant scent. Ammonia is used to increase the pH of the product and activate the thioglycolic acid. All of these ingredients are safe when used as directed. The Fix product contains aqua, sodium stannate, hydrogen peroxide, cetyaryl glucosides, disodium phosphate, and dimethylbenzyl carbinol. Sodium stannate and hydrogen peroxide are the active ingredients in this product and are responsible for neutralizing the thioglycolic acid in the Perm product. This stops the hair from being reshaped any further. Cetyaryl glucosides and disodium phosphate are emulsifiers that help to mix the ingredients together. Dimethylbenzyl carbinol is a fragrance ingredient that gives the product a pleasant scent. The last product in the kit is Nourish, which is used to hydrate and nourish the brow hairs after the lamination process. It contains aqua, keratin, portulaca oleracea extract, ozonized sunflower seed oil, chrysanthellum indicum extract, Sephora flavescens root extract, dipotassium phosphate, triethanolamine, hydroxybenzyl, and sodium hyaluronate. Keratin is a protein that helps to strengthen and protect the hair. Portulaca oleracea extract, chrysanthellum indicum extract, and Sephora flavescens root extract are all plant-based extracts that are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ozonized sunflower seed oil is a natural oil that helps to moisturize the skin and hair. Triethanolamine and dipotassium phosphate are pH adjusters that help to keep the product at a safe and effective pH level. Hydroxybenzyl and sodium hyaluronate are moisturizing ingredients that help to hydrate the hair and skin. Overall, the ingredients used in the Raw Brow Lamination Home Kit are safe and non-irritating. However, it's always important to do a patch test before using any new product, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you experience any irritation or allergic reactions, stop using the product immediately and consult a dermatologist. With proper use and care, you can achieve beautiful and fuller-looking brows with this home kit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.